At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen.
Wait. Don't scroll. Hi, my name is Jessica Francis, and I'm welcoming you back to the Richard Brown channel Films. I am a member, and I'm asking you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It not cost nothing for like, comment, share, and subscribe. I know a lot of people think you have to pay for that. It not cost a penny. Guys, if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's Jessica with some underscore. You will find it. Bye bye.
I'm Malta for the lady.
Thank you.
So I go on Roxan a long time no see you.
You know, things good. I'm grateful, you know.
Mm,
I have a job, a nice little place, I'm not hungry.
that's good to hear on
So
cause
what's up with you?
no, you know I go me I work too and
Right.
everything I go good so far. But I know me in a situation and that's why me dey call.
What kind of situation?
Well, I don't know if you remember Alton.
Yeah, man, your roommates.
Well yeah, me and him a roommate. Me
Mm-hmm.
remember say me dey ask him say. Yeah, well, thing is no, he tell me say he have one place stay.
Right.
And we asked him for being roommate, everything did not go on good, but reached one point where he not pay none of the bills now. Like he
Okay.
not live up to no responsibility and me say, yo, the reason why I choose to be a roommate to somebody is because I want to save up some money so I can buy a house.
Right.
But man not pay no bills in the house. Like me basically I take care of man like my father.
I understand that must be a burden.
Actually you not even know. Like me I try to talk to him, but I know a man can get a work.
Oh, so him not have a job?
Don't have a job.
Well, yeah, give him a chance. How long since he not have a job?
A year.
No, man, that
A
you might
year.
overdo it. You give him more than enough time.
That's
So what
right.
you plan on doing?
Well, I think some might have to just move out.
Okay, well, that better because you not really save the money there, so.
But that's my problem now.
Wow.
You know how rent stay.
Right.
Rent high, so it's hard for me to I will just rent one place by myself. So,
Or you want one next roommate?
yeah. So, remember say you did say you have one place.
Oh, yeah, man, me still the room there, same way.
So, I don't know if you're that okay with it, but
London, that's totally fine. The
you can
room
move in with you.
available. Yes, it are. You know, I rent a 56 grand. I will pay light bill separate and water bill separate.
Okay.
So, you know, we can figure out how to split it and.
Okay, then. That sounds good because actually not even know it's just so stressing and it's good for you to say you have a job and you would have make me stay with
Yeah,
you.
man, it's fine. I'm not sure if I have to talk to the landlord first, but for me, It could. It could.
Okay. But you don't have to worry yourself. Me make sure me give you half my rent, all the half my money, anything you need, I may pay you.
Okay. Well, cheers to new beginnings. Well, cheers, new beginnings.
Mm-hmm.
And at least now some of the bills can ease up off of me.
Yeah,
And you
can.
know, 56 is a lot of money.
Enough money
But
that.
been a money still.
Alright.
Been a money.
So this sound good, man. So probably by weekend, we moving with it.
Yeah, man, that's fine. Coming out at weekend, so that would be good.
Alright.
You're not gonna like bring the furniture, so, cause the room already furnished, you know.
We mind furnish?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we carry one or two things if you need nothing.
Well, you can come and see if it have space to bring what you want, and you can come and then you bring your stuff after.
Alright, yeah, we'll figure it out.
All right. So all things differently.
Everything alright, man. You know, say me have a software job and things, so
Right, right.
yeah, go on good.
Work, not stressing.
I tell you that even know. The most stressing thing ever.
Well, I mean, I work. I nobody don't really want to work. We just there for the money, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Say, alright, babes. Wonder what we are going to eat tonight night, yeah. KFC.
Yo, me I cut enough.
Yeah, they are go on the road and come back.
This look like me I go on the road, brother. Me I have the discussion here. Too much time, you know. You're not paying none of your bills, them. I carry woman come to my place.
So, brother, what you mean? You bill done a pay already, or you a pay a bill? I mean, we just a go and...
So that sound right to you? So me I pay all the bills, them. You think that sound right? You
Then,
think that sound right?
brother, you know say me nah work, man. I come just come load up a thing in front of the girl, man. Really? Really, dog, that's how we live?
Brother, it's been a year. It's been a year since me tell you, say, yo, get a work, help me pay bills, them. Are you rent a place, you know? I not pay 1 billion. Yeah. So yo, me a cut, you know. You have to just, mama, you have to know, you know. I'm broke money there on. He not pay 1 bill. Me a basically his father. Cause me a take care of him.
Yeah, man, say nobody with the excitement. Nobody with the excitement. If you are going, just go on. Me figure it out. Nobody with the excitement.
You're gonna be homeless by end of the day. Me can't tell you that. Cause me not pay a bill this month, you know.
Well, if I say dog,
If you have no sense, you would have come with me. Cause him broke and he not have no figure.
brother, that's easy.
Yo, look more. Me I send for my rest of my stuff. So yo, later.
Please, just send there. Him soon come back, man.
You sure?
A glass some man left him make him a behave, so.
You sure?
Him good, man. He good. No worry yourself. We figure.
What just happened?
I know.
Oh, God, Roxan.
No. Let me just
I'm gonna push it. Yeah. That's very hard for pull.
It's like some problem. Alright, come. Such a little bit of things take care.
Me have some more stuff. Me I go make one truck carry them, but
Okay.
me just glad to move out to the place then.
I understand. Come.
Why I say this look nice though.
Where you go?
I'm just trying to look out stuff to eat. I look out two dumplings and some mackerel.
Oh, you soon done?
Yeah, you want some?
Hey, you're not gonna work.
You know, so I'm supposed to have one late shift today.
Oh,
So I might not come home till probably late.
okay.
But if I anything, you don't think you could have looked out something for me? Just
Yeah, that's alright. Coming up and for cook, anyways.
alright then. You want some?
Yeah, just show it out when you're done.
Alright then.
Alright. Alright.
Oh, God.
Me I go to shop now. We get some things. We soon come.
You go to the shop?
Mm-hmm.
How are you get?
Just the things that might run out and some toiletries.
Alright. Me dey want some stuff out of shop, but
Okay.
me I want meeting in a 5 minutes. So just get some toothpaste,
Mm-hmm.
some Fabani and things. You can't catch everything on the card, man. And me pin at 2006. You can probably catch everything on the card if you want.
Cool, no problem. You soon come.
Yeah. Yes, good afternoon, Mr. Roxan.
Good afternoon, Mr. Brown.
The reason why I call you in, unfortunately, we have to do some job cuts because business have not been going as we planned, and we have to let go a few people. And after carefully thinking, we were considering keeping it, but um, no, we just have to let it go. Sorry.
But I've been here for 3 years without any issues. Come early, everything.
I know, to be honest, you are one of the good workers, but the fact that you are getting more money than everybody that's here, we have to cut where we can probably save back some money. If not, we probably have to lose the whole company, and we can't afford to do that. So we just have to do what's best for the company. But don't worry yourself. We'll definitely give you um 1 week extra pay and on your
That
money.
can't do nothing for me. When you not even give me one notice. Like
Well,
this was so random. 1 week here, so we now cut off people. Like Wednesday, that's not enough time for me to get one next job.
I do agree and I do understand, but the fact that we have the bank breathing down on our neck, we really have to make some drastic decision. So it's not like we just get up overnight and everything just. I don't know. It's
This
very
was
very.
not considerate at all because like you left me in one situation now. How quick me go find one job? Me have bills.
I do understand. That's why I'm willing to give you a 1 week extra pay.
So there's nothing way you can do. You can cut down
What?
the pay a little bit.
Well, what I can do, I can probably write you a recommendation. So therefore, when you go somewhere else, you can get a job.
Thank you for the recommendation.
All right. And again, I do apologize. All right.
So, what we couldn't talk about on the road.
Honestly, you know how them did I say budget cut did I go on and them all like a pay by
Yeah.
somebody in I said to get Lego. I'm sure they get fired today. Me just stressed because how me gonna find one job at the end of the year? Like literally nobody not hire right now at December. So I just feel that and
So, you talk to Land about it?
you're the first person me to write about Lando. I'm gonna tell me I'm to tell Lando.
And Mr. Roxan, I think you need to talk to him because he's a very intense person when it come on to money.
I mean, in not really have to know because by such time I figure out something already. I know it's not gonna take me that long to get a job.
And if
I
you
mean,
don't,
me hold it down then and I like my broke to one point where I can't hold it off for the first 2 months or so. I must find a job by then.
you remember how Lando cheating girlfriend in college?
Yes, I know you stay when it comes to money, and that's why I'm not gonna tell you, I know I can't do it. I'm gonna figure it out before I find out. Like, think about it, I'm go to London, Mr. Lando, I get fired in and not. Everything now go down ill after that. So I better just hold it down and see what I can do. In the meantime, I don't know if you can help me send out some applications or stuff.
Yeah, me help you.
I'm not necessarily a tremble.
Me just hope because, boy, Lando is a really, really, no, But as I say, you go hold it down, just please don't make me find out.
Nah, fine. Well,
He can be very controlling, you know?
I know. But a kind of good thing when I have a roommate. Because one would I tell the landlord say, you know, female for that pay same way. So, you know, on the bright side, at least I still like have a roof over my head, right?
Yeah.
And telling me figure out something. I'm not wrong not to tell him, but I know if me tell him, things might go downhill. So, just have a hold it down. I know me have one little money can go on, maintain myself for a bit.
Alright.
Ready?
Not quite. I'm so done. Oh, you're going now?
Yeah, wait for you.
No, you're not for your problem, man. Me I get drive, so you can go. I'm there to ask somebody to pick me up.
Alright then.
Mm-hmm.
We'll probably carry home some food later if you want. You want some?
Yeah, thanks.
Alright. See you later.
Hello? Roxanne? Anybody inside? Roxanne?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, Mr. Brown, what going
Me there.
on? Mm.
Okay. Roxanne,
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand the reason why I'm not seeing the amount of money you're supposed to put in my account.
Right.
Few months ago, I noticed that you're paying half of the money. When I just rent you the place, everything was all good. You was paying your rent perfectly good. But I noticed that something happened and you're not explaining yourself. I know you told me about your mom, that she died,
Yeah.
but that's okay, I understand. Anyway, you have to remember that the money that you're giving me with the rest of tenant money that I'm collecting is towards the light, water, and to cut the yard and other stuff.
Right.
You understand? So
Yeah.
if you don't pay the amount of money that you're supposed to pay, those kind of things cannot get done. You understand me? So I need to know what's going on.
Well, Miss Brown, with all respect, like me tell you, my mother passed away, and the money when me did have save up, which that would have been for rent, me end up having to use that for like 9 nights, and you know, I help out my sister them and so. And them not really have it, so me end up having to use the money when I'm savings, which me did explain.
Are you still working?
Yeah, man, I work me. I got that so you see me rush out because I'm actually late.
So I know this is your personal business, but I would
Right.
like to know what time of the month you get paid. Whether
What?
weekly, fortnight, or monthly. I just want to know what time you get your wages
Monthly.
after work. Monthly.
Monthly.
Okay, all right. Just make sure when you get your pay,
Mm-hmm.
you put the exact amount of money to my account. You understand?
I will.
Okay.
Well,
So
thank you for understanding.
you're welcome. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can I speak to Roxanne?
Roxanne's not here at the moment. Can I take a message for her?
Who are you?
Her roommate.
Roommate. Okay, all right. Anyway, um, I need you to give her this message for me because I do not understand what she's all about. She told me that her mother died. So I really understand where she's coming from with the payment of my rent. I know she's owing a lot of money. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
She give me half of the money. Every time she giving me half of the money, half of the
Ha,
money.
ha,
So
half of the rent
yes,
for the past how much months?
about 3, maybe 4 months if I'm not lying. I would have to check my book.
Well, this is the first time. So you're the landlord.
I am the landlord. Sorry, I should have told you that before.
Well, it is nice to meet you. Miss what's her name?
My name is Miss Brown,
Nice to meet you, Miss Brown.
Shanika Brown.
Nice to meet you, Miss Brown.
Yes.
Um, this is the first I'm hearing about this because for the past 3 months now since I've lived here, she hasn't told me about this. I thought she was paying all of the rent because I was giving her half.
So you guys living here together, your roommates or whatever?
Yeah.
Oh, something like, okay, all right. I understand. So that mean to me right now, it seems like it's your half of money I'm getting, not hers. That's the reason why I don't get the full payment of the rent. But I need to speak to her. And I noticed that every time I came, she's not around. So please give her this message from me. Tell her that Shanika or whatever she want to call me, Miss Brown. Tell her that I need the full payment of this month. And if I don't get it, I am going to have to give her notice. Straight eviction.
All right.
Because I cannot take this anymore. I have to pay to clean up the place, and paint the place.
I
If you can
understand.
see,
I
I'm not
understand.
finished doing all this job. And it's money do everything. It's not
Okay.
for free.
Well, I will talk to her and I will make sure this month you get a full payment.
Okay. And very sorry that it's going to work out like this, but please talk to her.
No, I will make sure she knows.
Okay, thank you.
Evening, London.
Evening.
Why you answer me in that tone there?
Come here. No,
So,
come here. Which part I come from?
what do you mean where me I come from? I'm not waiting an explanation as to where me go and what time me I come back and all of them things say.
Roxanne,
What?
what's answer a question? Which
Me I
part
come
I
from work.
you sure say you still have a job?
What that's supposed to mean? If
No.
you have something to say, just say it. Cause if you see me in a work clothes, no must work me I come from.
Like you could have never have a job because the landlord just come here and I know what she said to me.
What she say?
No, me just want to guess. Guess what she said to me. You can't guess because this have to be one lie. The landlord tell me say for the past 4 months she only get half a rent. So tell me now. Tell me now.
Well, that is not completely lying. You see, you have to understand. My mother, well, my mother recently
No
dropped
bother
out,
with the foolishness. No bother with
So
the
listen what me
foolishness.
have to say now.
Roxanne, me a no idiot, you know. Me know see your mother well alive. She
Oh, you
alright.
know that? Me I tell you my mother recently dropped out.
Roxanne, how long me and your friend? No, tell me, how long me and your friend?
Long enough.
Me and your friend from high school. Me and you go to college together. So no bother with the foolishness about your mother dead. If your mother is dead, more than know. And me know say you have a good relationship with your mother. You must talk to your father.
Well, me just not having money right now. Me not having money. And me I work for something.
Roxanne, you can't just tell me say you have money now. Just be honest with me. You have a job? You still at work?
Yes, you see me I come from work and you ask me if me still at work. Where me I come from? Listen, Landa, I just that maybe I got you some things the past couple months, but I promise me I get back on track. Just give me some time. I'm already explaining this to the landlord. Me not expect her to come up here. She know the situation, you know. I'm explaining it to her already.
But just because me and your friend for a long time now. Me believe you, you know. You say so you go through something right now. You go pay a full amount this month.
Me I gonna pay it. Don't worry about it.
Alright, me just want to know, you know, cause me don't want to go through this again, you know. Me tell her when me first come, so me go through this with my roommate Alton, and me have to move out.
I'm understand. I'm sorry so you have to find out like this, but me promise me the plan to tell you.
Okay.
Alright.
Me sorry, somebody I talk to you.
It's
Kind of
alright.
rough.
Me go well see. Come here work later.
Alright.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. My assistant at the front said you wanted to speak to me. How may I be of assistance?
Good afternoon, bossy. Me don't know if you know somebody who work here. She's supposed to name Roxan.
Um, you're who to Roxanne?
Well, me her roommate.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
She told me that.
Unfortunately,
Well, let me tell you why me there. She tell me she's supposed to work here, and recently I asked her if she still work here, but she tell me say yes. So me come to ask you directly if she still work here.
unfortunately, she don't work here anymore.
Really?
Yeah, man, she don't work here anymore. So if that's all, well, I have a lot of paperwork to do, so I have to get back to it. But she don't work here anymore. All right?
How long she not work here?
I don't want to get in details, but she don't work here anymore. All right, and I shouldn't even be divulging this information to you, but
Me understand what you're saying, but the reason why me asking is because she's been lying to me, saying that she still work here. She still a put on her uniform every morning like she a go to work, and she a lie.
all right. Well, I don't want to get into whatever you and she have going, but she don't work here anymore. And please tell her if you care about the uniform them, because she can't have them. I wear them.
All right, bossy. Thank, thanks the information.
All right.
Afternoon.
Yeah. You home early though.
Yeah, I come from work.
Of course you come from work. Why you say it like that?
Work. I don't know if you still have one of those.
What's that supposed to mean?
You still have a job?
Yes, I do have a job. What is your problem?
Roxanne,
Lando?
I decide to come down to your workplace today. Because I want to come check up on you and see if you want to get some lunch.
Today my day off, so I never did it.
Today, day off. Well, you look like you've been on a day off for 5 months. Because your boss tell me saying fire you. So I don't know how the day after work, you know.
But, well,
And put
technically they not fire me, then just
in day one day off for 5 months.
me, I just say one day off.
A month off.
It's temporary. You know me the pan pending, so.
Pending. I look like me dunce. No, me look like me dunce. Cause me must be one idiot. For ask you if you still have a job. You convince me say, of course, me still have a job. And I trust you, you know. Because me and your friend for how much years? How much years me and your friend?
Almost then.
Okay, almost 10 years. So now tell me no lie right now. You still have a job?
Well, technically me not telling a lie.
So what you call it then?
Me I tell you some of the
One white lie? One white lie?
So why you so upset?
You take my kindness for your weakness, you know.
No, Orlando, why would you think that? And I'm not like that.
Roxanne, do you still have a work? Yes or no?
Me, I gotta be honest because my value of friendship, I really do. So me, I gotta be honest. Me, me get fair like 5 months ago, or
Jesus Christ.
but my promise me I work on something and that's why you see me left out every day because me I try sending application and I do the necessaries.
Roxanne, 5 months. 5 months and a half of work.
Almost five
So you
months.
tell me say for 5 months you can't find one, one work? You broke. You don't have no money.
Why you have a road?
Roxanne,
Me ever beg you not yet?
in a matter
So
about
why you ask me if me broke?
Roxanne, me tell you, so I do not want to be in a situation where I'm living with a broke person. Me tell you I already say, me dey pay all the bills then when me dey live with my roommate all the time. Or when me dey live with one next person, they never pay not one other bill.
Well, you have to make one exception for me because you know say me I gonna do better. Yeah, just give me some time. That's all me ask
So
every
5 months
time.
it take you to do better.
Yeah, go like a miracle the people in my run. Me can just wake up and walk in a one job. Me tell you say me a drop off application. Just give me some time now.
And then the application I'm call
Me
you
dey
back.
get back. Well, me get back 2 car, but the location them when them a send me kinda de far.
Then go and
So
take
me
a
decline.
go and take a taxi and go on there. Me no business.
Take 3 taxi go work. One from here so go to the square and then one
At
from the
least at end of the month you have money to pay your rent. And me I pay all my bills them.
and me appreciate that. And me not take advantage of the situation. Me just make you understand say me still a push out the effort to get one job.
So I never make me understand when me dey ask you.
Because it did better fly than tell the truth at that point. Look how you're going now. And me think would have find a job by then. By now.
Alright. You see because me and your friend for a long time and you still want to be wrong and strong. No worry yourself. No worry yourself. Yeah.
What do you mean know myself?
No worry yourself. Just find yourself a job. Go and go look at application.
What do you mean? What do you mean by knowing myself? Lando?
Good evening, Miss Brown.
Good evening.
I don't know if you remember me.
Yes, I remember the face.
Yes.
Same guy that came by the house and saw the other day.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think I told you my name. My name is Lando.
Okay.
Um, I know that Roxanne hasn't paid you the amount of money she owes you.
Until now.
Yes, and she she finally came clean to me and she told me the situation that she lost her job. I don't know if you know.
I don't know about that. She told me that she's working and she get paid monthly.
Oh.
And she told me that her mother died.
Well, tell her the truth, her mother is alive and she lost her job, so probably she was trying to keep it a secret, say she lose her
So
job.
all along she was telling me all these lies.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my
But
God.
that is why I'm here. I don't know how much money she owes you, but I know that she owes you for 5 months, correct?
No, wait. The last time when I went to her, it was about 3 to 4 months, right? Call it about 4 months exact, if I'm not
Yes.
lying. But from the day I speak to her until now, 3 months gone and that 4 months. So you know it's 7 month rent she owe
Okay.
from that time until now.
Well, 5 months, 7 months, no problem. But I will pay everything that she owes. Plus, I will even pay you extra for the next month to show you that I can take over the lease. You can put the lease in my name.
Oh, so I'm gonna put everything in your name. You're the one who is going to be responsible for my place?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So,
You can, I can take your account number and I can
let
send
me
you.
let me give it to you. I don't speak out my account number in the public,
Yes.
so let me just put it
You
in.
don't have to worry yourself. I will deal with everything. So by
Here you go.
the end of the day, I will send you all of the money,
Okay.
and you can change the lease in my name.
Okay, no problem. So when I bring the receipt to you, you could just sign your name
Yes.
for the amount of money that you give to me, right?
All right.
All right, no problem.
All right.
But is she still gonna live there?
Yes, sadly she will because I have known her for a long time, but it looks like I'm going to have to take care of her in the time where she's just going to have to live there.
You know that I can't believe that Roxanne done this because she know that I am not a bad person. She could have come to me and talked to me, and I would give her more time to
Well,
sort out herself, but she did not.
Mama would say the same thing,
So at the end of the day, I cannot trust people like that in my place. But because you say you're gonna take over, that's fine. No problem.
Yeah, she's going to pay me back all of my money. But
Okay.
because I've known her for a long time, I'm just going to keep her around.
All right, no problem.
Yes.
All
Nice
right.
seeing you again.
Yes, same to you.
Even.
Where I go? Come sit down. Come sit down.
Okay. Oh, God.
Christmas come early.
You always come with some stuff, you know. What that's supposed to mean?
Well, since me up here all the bills them, what I think say, I'm supposed to ask us certain questions. Christmas come early.
Wait, where you ask that?
Who swear by? Who swear by?
Them here in a purchase recently.
They never purchase recently.
We just get the chance to pick them up. Know that me now work.
So since you just where you pick them up from?
The shipping company.
So you have to pay for collect them.
Technically, me dey get free shipping and so you know. So no,
You
me never.
love to say we're technical.
Because the truth.
Alright. I will teach you soon. Because I don't think you know how to be honest. Roxanne, you have been providing nothing here. You're just come in, come out as you please. You're not put no food in the fridge. You're not put no food in the cupboard. You're not paying none of the bills them. You're not even paying light bill. I'm me I take care of you. So now, you're not gonna just come in as you please. We are gonna make some rules now.
What do you mean I make rules? This is not your house. You forget?
Oh, we forget to tell you. I'm my name on the list now. I'm my hostess now. Because I had a lengthy conversation with the landlord. You realize that she not come back here? Because I spoke to her and I told her I would pay all of the money you owed. I will pay all right. The 5 months rent where you owe. I pay all right. So you not have to worry about that. I paid it. And since the landlord was thinking about evicting us, I told her change the lease in my name.
You tell her to do what?
Yeah.
Why? Can you
Bec-
not have no faith in me?
Roxanne, if you have faith in you, when for the past 5 months you've been lying to me saying you have a job, they ask you if you have a job, you say no. And then you not make no effort. You just
Lando, for
you
one, a woman me name. Me can't suffer. So if me tell you say me have it under control and make a find a job, me have it under control and make a find a job. Why you do need to do all of that?
yeah, woman and you can't pay your bills them.
Well,
And me have to take care of you.
you not take care of me. You make sure so one roof over your head, which
Roxanne, may I make sure say a roof over your head?
Yeah, make sure it's a roof over your head.
Well, I mean, own a place now. This is my roof. You're living under my roof. I have been too nice to you. You're not get no job. So, one, you're not gonna just come in late hours anymore, you know.
Excuse me?
You have to make sure say you reach in our house by 10 o'clock. Okay? Make sure say all our garbage in our house clean. Bathroom, my room, your room. Make sure say you sweep out the entire house. And make sure say food upon the stove.
Oh, because me a maid.
No, you're not my maid. You're my broke roommate. So, just do what you have to do.
One, you have no reason to be disrespectful, but you know, me I gotta take it because I appreciate it.
Roxanne, you
You
really
get-
go tell me say I'm being
Yeah,
disrespectful
yeah, be
when
disrespectful.
I'm me a pay all the bills them. You not make no effort. Like really you not make no effort, you know. You don't have a job. So just do what you have to do. Abide by the rules. And just make sure say go and still look for your job. Cause me want all of my money. That's all me have to say to you. You lucky say me not take them the from you and sell them. You can go on in your room.
Get mad for me, no. Get top for me, no.
Back your back, sit down, money, and rock for me. Oh, you know there's song there.
Yo, you might have all, but me not cowl. Eh, so, our breeze blow here now. Eh?
Well, me you want to talk to you about some things that are going on in our apartment.
Oh, shoot, no. Go on.
So you remember Lando?
Lando.
Yeah, the thick guy from high school.
Okay, yeah. Where you see now?
Alright, so indeed come to me one day, say him want someone to stay. I consider it and I give him the okay, 'cause you know, 2 room in the have. Everything did I go good, you know, but all of a sudden he just start bossing me around and tell my mom to make sure say my carry rubbish on time, clean on time, and you know, stuff like that.
Hold on. Your house.
Right, also me rent.
And get a room for him as a roommate.
Right.
And him a boss around
Yeah,
in
that,
your place.
yeah.
Oh man, that not sound right. Something
Right,
right.
so this will come to you, try, you know, see if we can get one other opinion from it. Come in really have nobody can talk to me.
No man. You ain't in nothing.
No, I mean, well, daddy, honestly, I lose my job and I
You lose
really,
your work.
yeah, and I really am pay all I bills. But before this, me did I do my part. I'm gonna make sure the food in our house. And I think he would understand. Out of all person, him should understand. I mean, I try.
Wait there. You lose your work and all of the finance of the place, and him a do it?
Yes, daddy.
So him a pay the light, him a pay the water, him a pay the rent, and everything, and you're not contributing?
Oh, me I contribute if I not have a job.
No, but the way how you talk, me think, say, boy, you know, something, but you're not doing anything. What you expect? How long you not paying rent?
Daddy, that no matter.
No. How long you not paying rent? Talk to me. You come near to me, no.
5 months or near 5 months or something like that.
Me no idiot. You stutter, and me know you. Me know when you lie, and me grow you. You understand? But what do you expect? If switch it around. If it was you and him come there, come live with you, and he's not contributing financially, what would you do? How would you feel?
Don't come with understand.
No, there's no understanding in that. It's as a burden. Me not pick up for you, but it's the truth. You need to get your act together. Me never grew up as a little freeloader, you know. What do you expect? All right, answer me. Put it back again. What would you do if it was you? And be serious.
I mean, to some extent, mother hold it down for real, but me know mother get tired. I
No.
mean, I think 5 months that long.
No, as me said, me not pick up. Anyway, whatever happened around there, my behavior, whatever, I cannot blame him. I cannot blame him. Because if you're not contributing, it don't make sense. One hand can't clap.
That
I
is
told
what
him
I'm
that place
supposed
to
to
be.
do.
What do you mean, what you supposed to do?
I'm supposed to do. And I like me just the woman now. Look at job. I go out every day and send in application. I do everything we can think of.
The other big question, what is it? Is him finding a problem with everything, right?
Yes.
There you go. And that's what happen. Is that what happen? So, I don't know. I don't know. You have to go find a job fast and pay back whatever you owe and all them stuff there, because trust me, I can't blame him. I can't blame him.
Well, really and truly, me did come with the intention to ask if you have no money, Carolyn.
Aha! See there? You see there? Me know you know. Me know. Wait. Me know. From you step in there, so, me know there's something I have to do with that.
Daddy, me can't look for you. What you talking about?
You know, come look for me just like that. Me know where you're up to. And anyway, sorry for you know, because guess what? I can't help you now.
You actually a pick side, because
Me
me know
not
you
picking.
have it.
Me say, I don't have no funds. I don't have no money.
Do you have 10 grand to buy some grocery?
10 grand.
10 grand, Daddy.
If I have 10 grand right now, I rich. I don't have no money. Me broke. You have to go start out the one yourself. Sorry. Sorry, my daughter. But I have no money.
You can at least talk to him and see if he can ease up a little bit.
Hold on.
You know, man to man.
Whoa. Wait there.
Daddy,
You.
you
No,
have
no,
to
no,
make
no,
me
no, no.
joke.
Hold on, man. Hold on. You want me to go around there to go talk on your behalf.
And I really put my behalf. Just from where you understand
Me not do it, you know. 'Cause
why.
if that the man that use 2 big stone and fling out half of me or take me out of him place, me can't blame him either. I am not going up there. Go talk to
Daddy,
him for
that
what?
not hurt nobody. That's a one. And two, you're not going violent. There's a reason with it.
No. Me not put myself in that predicament. I'm sorry. You're my daughter. Me love you. But you see, if you leave or you're gone, you depend on your own. You have to go work out that. All right? We love you. But you have to go work
Daddy,
out
but
it.
that mean me I go homeless or me have to go move back around here. I don't have nobody me can rent and say, hey, me need 10 grand.
Move back where? Yes, sir. You know what freedom me get when you gone? Eh? Me can't walk around for me house and do as me like and everything. You're 22, you know? You're 22.
And what I
You know
say?
20, when I said 21, you can responsible for you up to 21. But you see 22,
Daddy, I never really stop take care of your pitney. I'm there around
listen
same
to
way.
me,
Me need help.
22 past 21. No law, nothing what can help you. You're out the nest, that's it. You understand? Love you, but
It
can't
was
help you now.
never a good idea coming down here. Because instead they make me feel better, it make me feel even more stressed.
Me care, no? I already say take cash for care, me care. But I don't have the cash. Alright.
Seriously, you know, see me and Marco?
You know what I mean?
You just walk in, I'm sure you don't wipe your foot, but it's all good, it's fine.
You do a good job, man. You follow your rules. You know, if you be angry at me, you know, may I be your friend. May I teach you how to be responsible.
Me don't upset. Me never say me upset. Me don't upset. You could have
Okay.
more than wipe your foot and walk the other way. You come in because then you see me and Marco.
If you say so. I remember if you cook something here. I go out on the road, you know.
Okay.
A breakfast I look good. When I dinner, I supposed to cook. Huh?
I'm hungry. I want something easy to eat. Why that matter?
So I don't cook some food.
I'm gonna cook.
Okay. Well, may I go to the club, you know. Some you see you later.
I know.
Just make sure you say place clean by the time I come back.
I'm gonna clean it.
What me look like?
Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna clean it.
Just make sure you say place clean, yeah?
So where you going so? I can't touch you.
We're not that type of friends.
Okay.
We'll see you later.
Hey, which part you do? You're the close by? Yeah, you can stop by because I'm home alone. Alright, just let me know when everything's serious. Okay.
Up and I see, man.
I mean, yeah, I'm tired.
You are going to live up there.
You can come as long as you please.
Now, well, cool and nice, man. Boy, I tell her, if I drop asleep, I feel the way that.
I'm not feeling you.
Although I'm not come for drop asleep still.
You have no money for you?
No, no, no problem. I mean, I say, you may come borrow a thing from same way.
Oh yeah, come link money and have money for you.
Roxanne!
How that? Let me get up. You have man come here?
No, I don't mind. I don't mind.
So you tell me that only your mother alone leave it up.
If you go explain to you.
Come on, do me nothing.
Yeah. Lando.
Roxanne!
Yeah.
Yes, one.
You what? No, you didn't have it when you didn't come in the kitchen.
No, I'm not in the house. I'm there. Look fit from.
Well, it's not in here. Why would I in here? It's not in here.
How far shoes this?
This I think other shoes is when you need to run here.
Your father is a big man. You know if you're fucking and of him shoes that.
Well, me no know over shoes. And it no matter in my room, the way you ask me over shoes.
Roxanne.
Lando.
Move. How far shoes this?
It don't matter. What you do?
Roxanne, a man you have in my house?
You see man in here?
Yo, my general, if you not come out right now, you know, me have my gun for me, you know.
Boss, you don't have to shoot, man. You don't have to shoot me, general, man. I'm armless, man.
Yo, hurry up and come out in my bed.
I'm armless, man. See me. I'm good, man. I don't know.
A man you really carrying in my house? Me had a discussion with you. Yo, hold this.
Boss, you know.
What you be this?
Yo, hurry up and come out of my house.
Yeah, man. I'm a sister now.
Brother, move right in front of me.
But my father,
I'm
a stepsister.
It's fine.
Yo, hurry up and come out.
Yeah, man. I told my father.
Yo, come out of my house. Me not talk to you about this already. Seriously right now?
So far.
Roxanne, me talk to you about this. Why you carry money in my house, sir?
Me not carry no money in it. Why you are going so with me?
Roxanne, me talk to you about this already. Do not carry nobody
So
in
me
my
not
place.
allowed to talk to people?
I never say you can't talk to nobody, you know. But do not carry them in my house.
And why you keep on say your house? You forgot to say me take care of you, you know?
Take me in and do what? Remember say me live somewhere, you know. Oh, and the reason me I live here, you know, is because I want to save up some money to get one place myself.
Okay, and not that me a bash or anything, I mean try to throw shade, say me take care of you because you're in our situation. And not that me say, but I me first did I run the place. I know y'all going like say.
Go on like say what? Me I pay all the bills them? That's how me I go
I
on?
know what, and me an adult I'm allowed to do what I want. Why me can't have privacy?
You love to say I want adult, but you're not paying no bills. Explain that to me now.
Lando, me no want to argue with you. All me say is me can't have little privacy. You say for wash plate, clean and do everything and me do it all. The only thing me not do is provide why me can't get one little pass to have company.
You hear me say, do not carry nobody in my place unless you're your family. We're done talking up. Do not make this happen again. Because the next time you make this happen again, you're not living here. Understand?
So which one me go London?
I don't care.
London, you're my friend, you not do better than that.
The next time you carry a man in my house, you have to live with the man. Understand?
You can't have 5 Oh wow.
How much more you go?
Our birthday, so we still with a good night club.
Well, go and Sylvia, a long time no see you.
Hi, Lando.
You go to a club.
Yeah.
You have money to go to a club, but you don't know money to pay bills.
No, me I pay everything. Me I pay everything.
You have to pay for everything. Oh man. Happy birthday. You can have fun, but just remember say at 10 o'clock a curfew, yeah? Right?
10 o'clock what kind of curfew, Lando? You never know say pandemic still a go on.
Pandemic now go on, but pandemic a go on in the house. So
When
make
you
sure
gonna stop treat me like a child?
when you start act like an adult and pay bills. So since you're not an adult and you're a child who is living under my roof, come back in here by 10 o'clock. Or you see, the door out there, so will be closed. Understand?
Whatever, come.
Have fun.
What do Lando?
I just say renting I'm problem. Like you feel like so because I am pay the rent and I am buy food if you have all control over me. My vibe broke, man, tell a lie.
What? I don't understand. Enough you behave so. You just give me a little peace and you know.
For me and give a little peace. You know London I know my type, right?
But you know, like enough to be a type, just give me.
I mean, I try, you know, give me a little vibe, try seduce my type of way. But it just push me off. I don't know what going on. Well, it just focus on money. I really let her land the problem. And that's how I really land the problem. So that's not one option. Like, he just greedy when it comes to money.
But me and you could have tried.
Try what? Try seduce him?
Yeah, so.
You think so?
Yeah.
We have fear. No, right.
No, just think about it, man.
Would I drugs him? Cause you know. Let me tell you something. Lando not take no you don't know Lando. You don't
Well,
know
if you have to go so far, yeah.
drugs him?
Mm-hmm. Let me just, you know what, plan it out, plan it out.
I could go on the road. When I come back, Lando alright.
Well, Lando, you said it live?
Yeah, what you do around here, sir?
You know, say I pass by. I me see the apartment here, me I look funny and me I say to see if no room over here rent. You know if no room I rent?
Well, to tell you the truth, you know, all I room them occupied, you know. All I room them rent out. But me have one room, you know. Somebody is staying there, but me can rent a room, you know, because she not paying no bills.
But you sure that now will cause no problem?
You don't have to worry about that. You can move in tomorrow if you want. Because to be honest, the bills them high and would have love some help.
Me and you work at the same workplace for how long now? And you know so me is a person when it comes to money, me not stingy. So you don't have a problem?
Yeah, that sound good because all you have to do is don't be a Roxan because as she rent the place, you know, and me moving with her and she not paying no bills and me can't take it no more. So she just go off to sleep on the couch. So if you want the room, me can get a room.
Well, if you say there's not gonna be no problem, we contact you and make you know if me can move in tomorrow, okay?
Alright then.
Alright. Big up yourself later.
Yeah, if anything come on.
Alright.
Morning is brown.
Morning.
All things.
Same as usual.
Somebody come to you this morning for ask if it be possible for change back the name from the lease.
How what could I cost this now?
Well, Miss Brown, and me a the rent the place to in the first place, and me a try my best to get a job, and me need but my things them in the house. Me not as comfortable as much now that you transfer the name and the thing.
Roxanne. Roxanne.
Miss Brown.
Me not think that can happen, you know. You know why? First of all, when me just meet you, you make me put my trust in you and believe every word you tell me. You tell me say your mother died, wish your mother not dead. You tell me say your mother died, and she's not dead. Next thing, you tell me say you're still at work, and you know you lose your job. Me hear, me did suspect it, but me never sure, so I did not want to mention it to you anyway. Me hear. Although me hear, me no care go, me no care come. You have me a spin me around like a gig on your finger, like one little idiot. You could have tell me the truth, you know. Mother understand. Me no so bad. You know, me not so hard, them kind of way they.
Well, Miss Brown, me really apologize for everything. I know that you know say, you know.
Your apology is too late. But your friend take over now and he's paying all of the money. Every time I go in on my account, me see the full payment is there.
Well, I really bought that, you know, because him of the anger now, him just I make my life a living hell in the place and thing.
But he's in charge. I sign over everything in his name.
But you know, maybe if you never go the extent of changing the name on the list, but I still be able to be comfortable in the place because we still live there.
Roxanne, you know, understand. You see, every month add up.
know.
Every money where you owe this month, it add up to next month where you go owe. And the nether month and everything add up. And if you cannot pay where you owe now, how you da pay the other rest of month them will go add up to the month them will gone already? Me not understand. You put yourself in a worse problem.
Well, Landlord did mention same pay of all of me the owe, so technically me not really owe. Some would have start from fresh. No. So if me if find a job now, more than just a pay 56 more have no balance. And I actually I wait for one call now, Miss Brown. Like me and tell me I try my best. I just want to be comfortable.
Roxanne, I am so sorry. I don't think it is possible for me to do that right now. You understand? Unless you're going to get a job and you can prove it that you get a job by bringing your pay stub. You know your pay slip?
Yes.
Come and give to me and let me see it when and when you're getting pay. So I know that everything is going to be okay in that place. Then I will reconsider if you know, if I must put back your name on that thing. But differently, I don't think it's possible right now.
Well, that not bad as long as you're willing to reconsider. That's all me do really want. Just you thinking about it and me go and work for me and work for. So just thanks for this one, I have to say.
Okay.
Alright, have a good day, Miss Brown.
Same to you.
Alright. Lando.
Hello?
Hi, never know say Lando have a girlfriend.
No,
No, what?
I'm not Lander's girlfriend. Me rent the room, this room.
Wait, what?
Me rent this room.
From the landlord?
No, from Lando.
Oh, Lando don't. Or Lando rent you one room and he does to that too. I
Who are
live
you
here.
again?
I live here.
What's the name?
Roxan.
Oh, so you're the girl him tell me about.
Yes, I'm the girl I'm telling about.
Him tell me say him stay in this room and you stay in that room, but him give me this room and go over there, so I don't know why you and him never have a conversation.
Him rented a room here and he moved over here, so?
That's what I said.
I'm so confused. Where is Lando?
Him left about 5 minutes ago and say him son come back.
So anyways, thanks for your time. Alright?
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
What's
to
your
meet
name?
you. You just can call me Jay.
Roxan.
Alright.
Nice to meet you.
Alright.
Evelyn,
Evelyn, work on.
you can sit down please, ma, have a word with you. Thanks.
Or you could want to talk to me about, cause there's nothing else you couldn't talk to me about, you know.
Why you keep on a try playing on my face? Like this not funny anymore. Like you're not funny no more.
It's kind of funny.
Say you take this to a joke, not true.
No, I'm gonna take it for a joke.
Why we keep on go back and forth about the same things them?
What we going back and forth about?
About everything. And like why you rent out my room and why you rent out your room and moving in my room and not say anything to me. Like you could have come to me and say, hey Roxanne, I'm gonna go rent out the place. Like you just have a random stranger in the place.
That's why you stopped me.
Yes, that I really want to talk about.
First thing, Roxanne, it's my house. I can do whatever I want.
Okay, I'm not fight upon that. I'm gonna try my best to be at peace with you, Lando. I'm gonna try my best to stay up your good side. But you're just corrupt. You know I'm peace.
Roxanne, me and your friend, we've been friends for a very long time.
Right.
I could have easily just kicked you out, you know. But as a good friend and as a roommate, I kept you around because I care about you. That's why you have to sleep on a couch.
Well, Lando, this is where the issue comes in because if you come to me and say all of this to me, it's fine and I'm not complaining because I appreciate you not asking me to leave. You understand what I say? Like, you should have still have the decency to come to me and say, hey, Roxanne, me I rent out the place, somebody else move in.
Nope.
Why not?
Because it's my place, Roxanne. And me I take care of you.
So you forget the most of the furniture in my mind?
And what does that have? What does that
It
have
has
to
a
do with
lot
anything?
to do with it, Lando.
Roxanne,
Yes.
if you have sense, you're going to sell them things there and get some money so you can pay me back.
I work hard for all of them things.
I do not care.
Lando, I don't want to argue with you.
Listen to me. Me need help to pay bills them. Me I be too nice to you. Me need to pay bills them. That is why I got a roommate that can help pay the bills them. So if you don't get a job, you have nothing to talk to me about.
That's fine. Just bear in mind, the karma is real.
Yeah, karma is real.
Right.
Karma is very real. That is
Very
why
real.
you are getting everything that you deserve.
Right.
Just make sure say you clean up your place, cause
Karma won't belong, okay?
yeah, sure.
Okay.
Bye,
Have a good day.
Roxanne.
Yes, have a good day, Lando.
Have a lovely day too.
I want to make a sound up on the phone.
Girl. So, come here, son. So remember, you did I suggest that we seduce Lando?
Yeah.
So, we now bother change your plans.
What you mean?
Because we have a better idea.
Okay.
We're going to kill him. Me and you.
What you say?
Yeah.
No, what you say? What you say?
I'm going to kill him. You know what him do? As a matter of fact, everything just... He might do too much, you know. You can't believe say he moving somebody while I still live there. Without a heads up. I not even have time to get someone to leave. I go and tell my mom to sleep on couch. I'm having enough for him. Yeah, me I kill him.
Back up. Wait. What you mean me and you kill him?
Yeah, that's why we are kill him. Suppose him did that and we try to use him because we use drugs anyways.
But he wouldn't dead?
Yeah, they don't know.
He would have just high for a few... We can't...
It don't matter. We just have enough time and me I get rid of him and me I take back my place and live comfortable. Me figure out the bills.
Girl, you better just go move in with me because me have one extra room, you know?
Why you never suggest that long time? It done gone bad already.
No, what you...
come right here and stop. You don't want accessory already. You already know my plan. So it's how we are going to do it. And even if you don't help, you help. Because anyway, you say nothing to nobody. It was your idea. You give me the drugs and everything.
Alright, okay. May we help you since you already get me involved.
It was an option.
But me
Me
never
tell
want to kill Lando. What me want to kill Lando for?
Why you say kill Lando? You want to get me in trouble?
But you come to me with this.
But you're there on the top of your voice. Me just make you know say me and you are going to get rid of him. You understand? You follow?
Yes, yes.
Right. And not tonight. Like me just done, me tired. Tonight.
So you could give me one day for prepare?
Well, no.
Well, man.
I'm there, I'm just keep myself hydrated, you know?
Alright. I need to tell you.
Huh?
I need to tell you, say, I might depend on my computer do some work. So, when 10 o'clock come, just lock your door, because I know I'm going to see Roxan come in.
Okay, no problem. So everything alright otherwise though?
Yeah, man, me just glad to me have a new roommate, because them bills have been stressing me out for these past couple months. You want another porridge?
No, sir, cause we not too for any parent, so that's alright. But we
Alright.
let you know if anything, man.
Yeah.
Alright.
You can put it in a list.
Oh, what this yeah?
It don't matter what. We are shake for.
Oh my God. What's this controlling this?
You chat too much. That way there you use your mouth too much for me.
At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.
It's coming on closer to a brand new year now. You know what I say? The year already done. We can't believe say time flies so fast, but it's almost a brand new year. And every year we at Richard Brown Films tend to set goals and targets that we want to accomplish. And one of the goals from ever since is that I want to work on a serious project. Well, I guess this year I kind of test the waters with one of the goal, which is invest a little money in a film, which is Pop the Balloon. And I could see the difference. I mean, even people said to me they could have seen the difference comparing to all the other films that we do in terms of the production level. And it goes to show you once we have money involved, then the production can look a bit better, can sound a bit better. Overall, it's just a better production. So the fact that we test the waters going forward for the new year, one of the things that we want to do is we want to shoot a one episode of a series that I have written, and I want to see if I can shop it around, whether it be to potential people who can afford to invest in the project, or maybe a streaming platform who is willing to probably put up the money and say, do the rest of the episode and we put it out. So that's the aim for the new 2025. That's the plan. Also, we have a new camera coming the end of this month, and we also have one we are going to repair, and then I try to get one more. So we are trying to at least have 4 cameras. We have two. I have a brand new tripod now. That's the camera we are using now. It's on that brand new tripod, and I have one coming this weekend too. And I try to see if I can buy 2 more. You know, but I always also try to buy new things. I have a gimbal come. I have a couple of things that come. So they really feel excited for these new equipment. Everything costs a pretty penny. So that's why we always ask for help, ask for contribution. Um, I would say this platform or what we do here, it's not something that we really go out and beg like other people and say, oh, help or send this, send that. But we do ask for contribution because it really takes money to do what we are doing. But on a good note, thank you to everybody that has always been supporting what we do. We do appreciate it. Something came to my mind a while ago, but me not gonna talk about it because maybe me go live and talk about that. Because me want to end this video on a positive note, which is saying thank you to the people and we contribute financially. Because you do have persons who go above and beyond to contribute towards what we do. So we want to say thank you to Uno. I don't call names because I do know persons prefer to stay in the shadows and not have them name called because you know you have the other family member in Jamaica go say, oh, how you can help Richard Brown Films, but you can't help your family in Jamaica. And in truth and fact, I think a lot of persons who help us is persons who see what we're doing and see the potential of what can become of Richard Brown Films. So they do contribute, and we provide entertainment, and people who are watching on YouTube, they watch it free of cost. So give thanks. Thank you very much, and hope me can talk to you again before the year end. So big up on yourself.
I'd like to introduce Jessica Annette Francis.
Ding, 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 ding.
All right, see you guys later. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bad mind roommate.
Back up, back up, back up.
Wait, come back.
Wait.
Come back. Come back. Already.
Alright, see you said. See you man, set him say. Alright, alright.
Me will help you.
I'm not bad at you see.
Why? What happened?
Because we're going to kill him. Yeah. Me go choose the boy. What you doing? Come.
Okay.
Wait. Just give me 1 minute. Me tell you now. Me tell you.
What you mean me and you are going to kill him? You must say, yeah. You're my friend. You're my friend. You with me or you with me or you against me?
Girl, you better if you just come
Yeah,
moving.
son.
You better
So
if you just
that's
come moving
So,
with me.
so when you stand up and then back a little bit, so back up.
You think that I say we're shortlisting this man that devil, you know? After carefully thinking I was not fit, so you just have to let me go.
Yeah, you can say.
I asked man, choose the
So no, you can say things of bossy.
Based on the fact that you are one of those persons that we are giving the most money, we have to cut you off.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh my god, alright.
You know?
It's ready.
Yeah, so you're attack.
Ready.
Oh.
So everything alright. But John, go continue.
Alright, well listen, when you ever stop treating me like a child, when you start paying bills.
Let's start act like an adult
Adults,
and pay bills.
right.
No sense, you would have come with me. So, yo, look more.
Oh, you know, say me is not a stingy.
You're not
Come on,
enough to
come
say the
on,
damn
come
word,
on.
girl.
I mean, not a stingy person when it
Tight
come
for
on to money.
Yeah, then I say, alright, well, cool. I don't be a rock.
What, Javier, you see you did live?
Not Javilando.
Jesus Christ. Dirty land, anyway.
No, you can't do no more, see. Saying what the hell?
I really like your mom.
Ready?
That's a record, right?
Ready? So start off, Jay.
Lando.
Lando, what that supposed to mean? Lando, what that supposed to mean? Friend.
Me not complain, but you should have the decency for come to me and say Jay because the room is like this. Roxan.
And then put a little thread tweet and then get up and go.
For round the past month, well, no.
3 months, yeah. For the past 3 months to 2.
Well, me never go. Well, me never.
I can't say 3 months. So, yeah, man. I asked her to move in with her for the past 3 months and I've been giving her my cut of the rent. So I don't understand what's really going on. They say, yeah, that's all I have been getting. You look like you're a cut of the rent.
Okay.
Right now, David.
Well,
That foolishness don't even stop. You lose your work. You work or you not work. You tell me, say, no, say, me lose my job. But when if you tell you what,
ready?
ready now, and action.
Roxanne,
Lando.
you take my kindness for foolishness, you know.
No, why would you think that?
You still have.
You take kindness for weakness.
No, take for foolishness.
Ready? Wait, say, no, say it. Come on, man. Yeah, mad for me, no. Head tap for me, no. Come on, man. We are laugh, lady, come. Are you going to finish it for me, you know? Ready? Alright. 1, 2, 3, go.
Why Jamie keep on talking to me like you want to talk? Like your man. Hear me about hear this. Hear what you got there. You see rubbish them here and carry them out. Then you see. What you see, sir? And you see house here clean it. Something like that.
So me forgot.
Yeah, like just squeeze with him and make him ease up look for me. Because at the end of the day, you're supposed to be on my side. Yeah, be.
Well, now, Javi. More tell her, say, I don't know if you really know what the truth is, you know.
Cause you love to go around and come back
man,
now.
you always tell something
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
so I don't know when you are telling the truth.
Yeah, tell me
But
one.
let me cut to the chase. Because
Me,
yeah,
I
that's
eat.
foolish.
Me.
So let me tell it now. You are going now. Alright, what is the job?
Tell him, say, me not. Tell him.
Me like that. You know me go with this job? Me go make you link in, boss.
No, yeah, no, that is.
I want to find out if Roxan still work now here. No, man, Roxan. 2 weeks in the fair. I'm